Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to make a voice call and it shows mobile network is not available. Connect to a wireless network to make a call. But in my mobile I am using the dual SIM cards and both of the SIM cards have the full signal strength. Then why it shows this kind of message and how to fix this issue. So before going to the solution, first of all, why this issue occurs? And here I using the Jio 4G SIM card as well as BSNL 2G SIM card. And this Jio 4G SIM card is placed in my SIM card slot 1. So if you are using the Jio or any 4G SIM card, this 4G network is very mandatory one to make a voice call. So if your area not covered this 4G light network, there is no possible to make a voice call. So make sure if your area have a proper 4G network or not, and also check it if this old icon is visible or not. And sometimes this issue occurs due to your mobile SIM card not registered with the service provider. So how to fix this issue? So just open your settings menu and go to SIM cards and mobile networks, and here it shows my dual SIM cards, but you can select your problem occurred SIM card. So I select Jio 4G. So next I try to access preferred network type. So here you can select LTE mode. So if your area have a 5G network, also you can select this 5G network and go back to the one step. So next you can click to access mobile networks. So here you can check it if this automatic mode is enabled or not. So once you check it and close all the windows and one time restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed and one more time you can try to make a voice call. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So anyway, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.